Hi guys, how are you? I hope you people are doing well. Now I am working on this Hitapp. I already passed that Hitapp, but this tutorial video is new. So actually I forget to publish this uh, Hitapp tutorial video. So this tutorial, this Hitapp is a very interesting Hitapp. It is the English version of Bling Unified Topic Selection. This is the typical Hitapp UI. Okay. In uhrs you can see all these things like click your ID, your lease expiry time. This is the expiry time. But within this time you have to uh, complete your job, and you can report a technical issue here, right? And if you want to return to the dashboard, you can click this button. So the main objective of this heat app is to identify whether this passage and this passage is taken from this web page. Okay, so and you have a topic, so you have to read, first of all read this description, read the title, the description, and the web page, and after that you have to judge whether title, description, and this web page, whether this matches with the topic. Okay, so let's see. So basically you have to read this title, description, web page, and after reading all of this you have to judge whether this topic name, here we can see economy of Canada, it is matched with the whole stuff like title, description, and the web page. So basically you need to study this title and description, okay, and sometimes web pages. So I will recommend that don't rush. First of all, read all of this like instruction here, okay, and then your judgment will start. So the second step is to judge, so whether the topic is very relevant, accurate, and useful. Like the topic is totally relevant with this title, description, and the web page. Okay, you have to judge it. If it is yes, then good. If it is no, then bad. And somewhat useful, like the topic, some part of the topic matches with this title, description, and web pages. So in that case, fair. And you can also skip if the current head, if the text does not have a topic or any technical issue. You can skip this. And if you want to elaborate, that's your logic, that why you choose this good rating or judgment, then you can elaborate your logic here. Okay, so in this case, though it is lease is expired, but your lease will but that's not an issue. If you refresh this, then this will start again. Okay, so let study this one. Title: if my family has massive debt in Canada, do I have to deal with what they have not paid when they pass? So this is actually a question on Quora, and the famous site. It is a forum basically. So I can see that it is a question. asked by some member of this forum, and these are the answers. And from the first, uh, these are the answers. So you need to study all of these web pages. So basically, you need to browse. You don't need to research each and every answer. You need to browse and make your judgment. Um, so let's study the description. Description is optional, but you should study. So if there is a will, could be even if your parents are crawling in a sea of debts and etc. So from if you study both of this and this web page, you can web page, and if you have any doubt after reading all of this, you can just click on this icon, that is Bing, and this title is in Bing search engine. So basically I can see that there is no search item in Bing and Google, but Google, yeah, Google suggests um, something like this. So you can research this title for a better understanding, and all of this you need to complete within the lease time, otherwise your lease get expired. Okay, and after reading all of this, researching this, you have to judge whether economy of Canada is relevant to this title and description. You can see that it is about debt in Canada, and it is about a personal problem here, personal financial problem. So it is not related to economy of Canada, right? Because economy of Canada is not like your personal finance problem. So bad is the best choice because topic is not related to description, title and the web page. Okay, so it may happen that basically all the UHRS CTAPs are subjective jobs. So it may happen that your judgment is different from my judgment, but we are judging according to this guideline, right? So if 100 judgments made and 99 judgments uh, is like same, because all the judgments are made on this guideline, though it is a subjective job, but guideline streamline all the judgments, right? So from this I can say that it is not at all related to economy of Canada. It is a personal financial debt problem. So I will click on this, and there is no submit button. Okay, you just need, if you click any of this, your Hitapp, your hit is automatically get submitted. And if you want to clarify why you choose this bad, then you can clarify, then you can type your comment here. But because there is no submit button, so first of all you need to type this, you need to type all of your comments here, and after that you need to click on these buttons, because whenever you click on this button, this page will will abolish, and another hit will appear. So first of all write all the comments here, all the logics here, and after that you need to click on these buttons. So folks, that's all. And if there is an technical issue, you can report a technical issue here. If you can't see any pages after installing this UHRS extension from Chrome store, then you can report here, I see an empty page. Okay, so folks, this is the Hitapp Bling Unified Topic Selection in English version, which is right now available on UHRS. And If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box. And if you need any further assistance, I in my you can search my WhatsApp number on my channel page, on my channel about page. You can find my WhatsApp number. You can contact me on WhatsApp also. Okay, I am happy to help you guys. Thanks for giving time to watch this video. If you like this video, you can press the like button. For more informative videos like this, for more Hitapp tutorial like this, you can press the subscribe button along with all notification bar, so that you can get all the notifications from my channel. And you should share this good earning source videos to your friends, families and colleagues for extra bucks, and give them a good lifestyle, give them a better opportunity, and give them happiness. So thank you again for watching this video. Have a nice day.